Major crops. Learning objectives. In this module, we will understand about the major food crops grown in the world, major fiber and beverage crops grown in the world. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the world. Crops are grown depending upon the variations in soil, climate, and cultivation practices. Major crops grown in the world are food crops, wheat, rice, maize, and millets. Fiber crops, jute and cotton. Beverage crops, tea and coffee. Let us learn about them in detail. Rice. Rice is the major crop cultivated in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Rice requires high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. Alluvial soil is the best for rice cultivation because it can retain water. China is the leading producer of rice in the world. It is followed by India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar and Japan. In India, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Punjab, Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu are the major rice producing states. Wheat. Wheat is the second major food crop which is cultivated. It is grown in mid-latitudes and dry subtropical regions. It is the main crop of the temperate region. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during the growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It thrives best in well-drained loamy soil. Wheat is grown mainly in the temperate grasslands of North America, South America and Central Eurasia. It is also cultivated in China, India, Russia, Pakistan and Australia. In India, it is widely cultivated in the northern and central regions. Major wheat producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Maize. Maize originated in Latin America. It is known as corn in the United States and makkah in India. It is used both as a food crop and fodder crop. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and abundant sunshine. In areas with less rainfall, the crop is grown through irrigation. It requires well-drained fertile alluvial soil. The United States is the largest producer of maize in the world. It is followed by China, Brazil, India, Argentina, Ukraine, Mexico and many other countries. Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh are the major maize producing states in India. Millets. Millets comprise coarse grains like jowar, bajra and ragi. They are very high in nutritional value. Millets require low rainfall and high temperatures for growth. They can be grown on less fertile soils like sandy soils. India is the largest producer of millets in the world. It is followed by Nigeria, China, Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso, Sudan and Ethiopia. In India, jowar is cultivated in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Bajra is grown in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. Ragi is grown in Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Gujarat and Goa. Jute. Jute is known as the golden fiber throughout the world. Jute requires high temperatures, heavy rainfall and high humidity. The fertile alluvial soil of the floodplains and deltas are ideal for jute farming. Bangladesh and India are the largest producers of jute in the world. Other jute producing countries are China, Ivory Coast, Thailand, Myanmar and Brazil. In India, jute is mainly cultivated in the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta region. It is also cultivated in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Bihar and Odisha. Cotton. Cotton is a major fiber crop of the tropical and subtropical regions. Cotton needs high temperatures, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for growth. Black lava soil is ideal for cotton. It also grows well in alluvial soil. The main cotton producing countries are China, India, the United States, Pakistan, Brazil, Uzbekistan, Turkey and Australia. In India, cotton is produced on a large scale in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Tea. Tea is an important beverage crop grown on plantations. The tea plant grows well in hot and humid climates of tropical and subtropical regions. Tea bushes require warm and moist, frost-free climate throughout the year. Frequent showers evenly distributed over the year ensure the continuous growth of tea plants. It requires deep and fertile, well-drained alluvial soil rich in humus and organic matter. Hill slopes are best suited for tea plantations. Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka, Turkey, Indonesia, Vietnam and Japan are producers of the best quality tea in the world. In India, tea is cultivated in the hilly regions of Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Coffee. Coffee is a popular beverage. Coffee is obtained from the beans of coffee plants. Coffee plants need a warm and humid climate with well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are best suited for coffee plantations. Brazil is the leading producer and exporter of coffee in the world. It is also called the coffee pot of the world. Other coffee producing countries are Vietnam, Colombia, Indonesia, Ethiopia, India and Mexico. In India, coffee is produced in the states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Let us recapitulate what we have learned so far. Learning outcomes. Activity 1. Activity 2.